In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply the cosmic text effect in Canva. To get started, open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one where you want to style your text. This can be any type of project, like a social media post, presentation, thumbnail, or poster. The important thing is that your design is already on screen and ready to edit. Once your design is open, go ahead and select the text you want to change. If you haven't added any text yet, simply click on an existing text box or create one first, then highlight or select it so Canva knows exactly which element you want to edit. This step matters because the text effect options only appear when a text layer is actively selected. After selecting your text, look for the Effects option in the editing toolbar. Click on Effects to open the panel that contains Canva's text styling features. This is where you can add different visual treatments to make your text stand out more. Depending on your screen size, the toolbar may appear slightly different, but the Effects option will still be available once the text is selected. When the Effects panel opens, scroll down through the available styles until you find Cosmic. Take your time here, since Canva offers several text effects, and it's easy to click the wrong one if you move too quickly. Once you see Cosmic, click on it to apply the effect to your selected text. As soon as you choose Cosmic, your text will update automatically. This effect gives your lettering a more stylized, eye-catching look, which can work especially well for futuristic, dreamy, creative, or space-inspired designs. If the effect doesn't look quite right at first, make sure the correct text box is selected and that the text is large enough for the styling to be clearly visible. A helpful tip is to zoom in on your design if you want to better evaluate how the effect looks. Some text effects are easier to notice when viewed up close, especially if you're working with smaller font sizes. You may also want to check how the effect looks against your background to make sure the text remains readable and visually balanced. And that's it. You've successfully applied the cosmic text effect in Canva. Once you're happy with the result, you can continue editing the rest of your design as needed.